How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine too, thank you. Today, before we starting the learning, we pray first. Pray with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabban wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasulan. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. Amin. Pray with us. Today we will sing the Masyarakat song to impress the sense of patriotism and Lancaster. Okay, now we want to sing the Masyarakat song. Okay, ready guys? Ready! Majulah tegak membela yang benar. Majulah tegak hati kita diserang. Maju serta mengusir penyerang. Maju serta tentu kita menang. Bergerak serta semangat menerjang. Tak benar menyerang. Majulah menang. Majulah tegak membela yang benar. Majulah tegak hati kita diserang. Maju serta mengusir penyerang. Maju serta tentu kita menang. Bergerak serta semangat menerjang. Tak benar menyerang. Majulah menang. Okay, good job guys. Please sit back. Okay guys, now Miss Sandra wants to ask you when your name called, you can mention your feelings today, okay? Okay, are you ready guys? Ready. Okay, absent number 1, Wiley, what are your feelings today? Happy. Happy, okay, good job Wiley. And absent number 2, Reina. I'm happy. Okay, good job. And you're happy today. And absent number 3, Bulan. I am happy, Miss. Okay, cool. Absent number 4, Sally. Happy, Miss. Okay. And absent number 5, Elviana. Happy, Miss. Okay, and the last absent, Mani. What are you doing today?
So happy.
Okay, good job, guys. And now to impress our morale, we will sing the Profil Pelajar Pancasila song. And when you sing the Profil Pelajar Pancasila song, you can moving your hands, okay? Okay. Okay, just stay in your chair. Belajar Pancasila, beriman dan bertakwa pada Tuhan Yang Esa dan berakhlak mulia, berkebinekaan guys, everyone is so excited today after we see the profil pelajaran Pancasila and I look so ready to starting the learning today. Today, Miss Afina have two picture and when you watch the picture, you can decide what do you think about the picture. And Miss Afina has two picture. This is first picture. Okay, what do you think about the picture? Layu. Any else? Okay, tumbuhan layu. Okay, good job guys. And the second picture, what do you think about the picture? Buah banyak. Any else? Tumbuhannya Okay, good job guys. And Miss Afina have a question. Do all living things don't need food? Apakah semua makhluk hidup itu tidak membutuhkan makanan? No, semua makhluk hidup itu membutuhkan makanan. How will the living things get food? Bagaimana sih caranya? Bagaimana jika semua makhluk hidup itu tidak bisa mendapatkan makanan? Apa yang akan terjadi? Mati. And how do the living things get food? Bagaimana caranya agar tumbuhan itu mendapatkan makanan? Bagaimana caranya mencari makan kalau manusia dengan bekerja? Okay, good job guys. And two picture, previously picture when Miss Afina have a picture to question and this makes sense with the material today. And today we will learn about photosynthesis or how the plants get food. Before that, Miss Afina have a question. You can work the question for 10 minutes. Is it enough? Okay. For 1 week, for for bulan, Sally, Elfie, and Mani. Okay, you can work the question for 10 minutes. It's right now. Okay. Okay, is it difficult question or easy question? It's so difficult. Okay guys, are you finished to work the questions? Yes. Okay. And now Miss Afina want to collect your questions. Okay, thank you. Rena? Okay, thank you. Thank you. And previously, Miss Afina, you watch the picture. This two picture is a wilted plants. This is a wilted plants. Okay, or tumbuhan layu. And the second picture, you watch the fresh plants. And now Miss Afina have a videos. You can watch the videos. And while you watch the videos, Miss Afina want to correct your answer. Okay? Okay.
Kita akan membahas mengenai proses fotosintesis. Kira-kira apa sih proses fotosintesis itu? Nah, supaya teman-teman tahu, yuk kita simak video berikut ini. Merupakan salah satu pendukung yang sangat penting bagi keseimbangan alam. Karena itulah, hutan di Indonesia juga dijuluki sebagai salah satu paru-paru dunia, yang mana hal tersebut dapat Lalu, bagaimana sih proses fotosintesis itu terjadi? Mari kita simak bersama-sama. Bagian akar pada tumbuhan membantu memperoleh air dari dalam tanah.
After we watch the videos and previously you watched the two different plants. First is wilted plants or tumbuhan layu and the second is the fresh plants. What do you think about the different plants? How do the plants get the difference? Apa sih yang bagaimana kok bisa tumbuhan itu berbeda? Apa yang menyebabkan tumbuhan itu berbeda? Karena satu tumbuhan tidak mengalami fotosintesis yang baik dan satu tumbuhan mengalami fotosintesis yang baik. And how do plants get the food? Bagaimana sih caranya agar tumbuhan itu bisa mendapatkan makanan? Yaitu dengan fotosintesis. I know misalnya once we divide you in three groups. Okay, misalnya kita finish correct your answer and misalnya one divide you in three groups. Group 1 is Laili and Sally. Group 2 is Serena and Elvi. Group 3 is Mulan and Mani. And you must do work the worksheets and you not work this worksheet individualism, but you work the worksheet together with your team. Its worksheet is about photosynthesis. And when you want to work the worksheet, you must to read the introduction. It's in the third page. Okay, now misalnya I want to explain the introduction about the worksheet. First is write your member groups. Okay, it's in the first page. First is you, for example, is Mulan and Mani. First is group 3, and your member groups is Mulan and Mani, and class. So forget to fill the class. Is class 5. Okay. And second is read the instructions. Third is discuss with your group to answer the question in the worksheets, and the last instruction is prepare your stationery. Okay? Okay, and Sandra want to explain about the worksheets. First, is the column is explained about what the photosynthesis, and you must write the answer in this column. And the first question is about what do the all plants do the photosynthesis? Apakah semua makhluk itu melakukan photosynthesis? And when you finish to answer this column, you must to go in the next page. In the next page is about process photosynthesis, and in this picture is about process photosynthesis. First is H2O or water and CO2 carbon dioxide either the sunlight and chlorophyll generate the glucose and oxygen. And when you finish to watch the picture, you must to write the answer in this column. This column is about component in photosynthesis. Okay, next is the next page. It's about plants, and you must to write the answer in this column. For example, is the sun, is the carbon dioxide, and is the oxygen. Okay. Okay. After you write the answer in this column, you must work the next questions. The question is explain about this picture. Explain about the previously picture. Okay. And the last question is about benefits of photosynthesis. Okay guys, now Miss Sandra want to give you the worksheets. You can work the worksheet with your groups. Okay, this is for group 3. photosynthesis. And now, group 1, group 2, and group 3 go to the forward to presentation your work, okay, with your team, okay, with your group. First is group 1, please go forward. Okay, group 1, you can presentation your work.
Hai teman-teman, di sini saya Laili dan Selvi mempresentasikan hasil kerja kelompok nomor 1. Dari penjelasan di atas mengenai fotosintesis, menurut pendapat kelompok kalian, apakah setiap tumbuhan bisa melakukan fotosintesis? Jawabannya tidak, karena terdapat tumbuhan yang tidak melakukan fotosintesis, contohnya seperti bunga rafflesia.
Okay, thank you, group 1. And next, group 2, please go forward.
Oke, kami dari kelompok 2 akan mempresentasikan mengenai hasil diskusi dari kelompok kami, yaitu mengenai proses fotosintesis. Proses fotosintesis dimulai dari akar yang menyerap air, kemudian dan karbon dioksida kemudian dibantu oleh cahaya matahari sehingga mengubah air dan karbon dioksida tersebut menjadi glukosa dan oksigen.
Okay, good job, group 2, please participate. Next is group 3, please go forward with your team. Okay, group 3, you can presentation your work. Okay, first is mention your name.
Halo, kami dari kelompok 3, nama saya Bulan dan teman saya Manik.
Okay, the question is what the benefits photosynthesis?
Apakah manfaat fotosintesis sehingga disebut sebagai proses paling penting di bumi? Kelompok kami menjawab yaitu mengubah karbon dioksida menjadi oksigen.
Okay, good job, group 3, and you can go sit back. Okay, guys, to appreciate our work, now we wow claps. Okay? Okay. Dikasih apa? Dikasih W, kasih O, kasih W. Wow, keren. Wow, keren. Okay, good job, guys. And after all group finish the presentation in the front class, now Miss Safira want to explain what photosynthesis is. The process of photosynthesis. And what we learned today we learned about first is definition of photosynthesis, second is photosynthesis, third is process photosynthesis, and last is benefits photosynthesis. And next material about definition photosynthesis. Fotosintesis adalah proses biokimia di mana tumbuhan dan bakteri menggunakan energi matahari untuk mengubah karbon dioksida dan air menjadi glukosa dan oksigen. And photosynthesis is tempat terjadi utamanya fotosintesis ada di kloroplast, terutama di dalam sel daun. Okay, the step of photosynthesis first is penangkapan cahaya atau biasa disebut dengan fase gelap. The second is pembentukan ATP dan NADPH atau fase terang. And third is pembelahan air atau bisa disebut juga dengan fase terang. Kemudian ada fiksasi karbon, ada pembentukan glukosa, dan ada produksi oksigen. And photosynthesis have multiple benefits. First is bisa menyegarkan tumbuhan dan juga bisa menghasilkan buah-buahan yang segar. Kemudian menjadi udara yang sehat bagi hewan dan juga manusia. Okay guys, after we watch the videos, after you work the worksheets, and after we explain the PowerPoint about photosynthesis, now we fotosintesis terjadi pada kloroplas. Okay, good job guys. Next question is, gas apa yang diserap tumbuhan selama proses fotosintesis? Karbon dioksida. Okay, good job guys. And next question, zat hijau-hijauan. Okay, good job guys. And after we watch the videos, after we work the boxes, after we Safira explain the PowerPoint, and after we play the games for photosynthesis, now we Safira have evaluation to test your understanding about the material. The material is about photosynthesis today, okay? You can work the evaluation for 10 minutes. Is enough? Okay. This is for Lali, for Reina, for Mira. Okay guys, time is over. Are you finished to work the questions? Okay, now it's okay. I want to collect the questions. Okay, good job guys. And now we go to the last steps of the learning today. Now is the conclusion. What the conclusion of learning today? About photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What the benefits of photosynthesis? Apa manfaat dari photosynthesis? Oke, good job. Mendapatkan udara yang segar, menyebabkan tubuhnya menjadi segar dan segar. Bisa menumbuhkan buah-buahan yang besar-besar dan yang segar yang banyak. And what your feelings today? Happy. Okay, good job guys. And now is the last learning, last steps into our learning. And before we finish our learning today, we pray together. Pray this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, thank you for your excitement today, thank you for your understanding the material today. I love you guys and thank you, see you for the next time.